Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to discuss my opinion or in other terms my advice to those who are traveling to Canada and those who are traveling from Canada. So first of all, if you are trying to go out of Canada, the government of Canada, I mean our federal authorities have already issued warnings that this is not the time to travel. So if it is not essential for you to travel, my personal suggestion would be not to travel. I'll discuss that, but we know that what's going on because of this new Omicron variant. Restrictions have been reimposed around the world in terms of lockdowns, travel cancellations, more testing requirements. So if you're going out of Canada at this moment of time, you can face plenty of issues. Like if you go to a third country, you can be stuck over there and you don't know for how long, and then if anything happens, you never know if you're gonna get timely access to healthcare facilities or not. So this is really important. And when you come back to Canada, like we have like quarantine now mandate, I mean testing and other things, and by the time you come in, maybe there could be new requirements. And if your status is citizen permanent resident, then you have some better protection. But if it's temporary resident, last time during the first lockdown there were n number of criteria, right? So you never know if you are going to be allowed to come or not. Like if the border is closed for non-essential travel, as of now it isn't closed. Canada is still open for non-essential travel, but if it get closed, then you can be in trouble. So plan accordingly. Ultimately the decision is going to be yours, but this is not a travel to this is not a time to travel out of Canada. Coming to the second point, uh, traveling to Canada. Well, before, like we saw what happened with South African countries. So if you have a valid travel reason and a valid travel document, this is the time you can come back to Canada or come here to start afresh. For example, if you are a sponsored spouse and you have you have plan to come after 2 weeks, you have ticket book, see if you can prepone it, because you don't know what's going to happen after 2 weeks, because things are getting more restrictive. We are seeing 72 hours short trip testing back. We are seeing capacity reductions. So many new restrictions are being enforced. So if possible for you to come now, come now. But again, like this varies case by case and situation by situation, and there could be n number of reasons. So it's not possible for me or anyone to discuss all of them now. But if possible for you to come now, you and if you can prepone your plan, this is the time, because we don't know what's going to happen next, because the way cases are increasing, uh, we are just a step away from uh, lockdown. I really don't want lockdown. Everyone hates lockdown, but you never know what's going to happen. Like we all have got I mean most of the people have got shots. Still this is happening. Now we are going for the boosters, and I got the booster shot. So anyway, with the booster being released, hopefully soon we'll be out of these restrictions. Soon case numbers go down. Thanks for watching this, guys.